Hello everyone, today we are going to learn the names of some colors and shapes. Green color, orange color, blue color, yellow color and red color. So let's get started. Now let's make the shapes. Can you guess what shape is this? It's a triangle. Next one. Do you know the name of this shape? Yeah, this is a heart. Now can you tell me what shape is this? It's a pentagon. The name of this shape is half circle, or you can call it semicircle. And the last one, the shape with four sides, all equal four sides. This is a square. Now let's fill color green color. So the name of the shape is triangle and the color is green. Orange color. The shape that we are coloring is a heart and the color is orange. Blue color. The name of this shape is pentagon. Okay, and the color we are using is blue. Yellow color. This is a half circle or semicircle. Okay. Red color. Now with this color we are coloring a square. Okay. This is a square. Now let's have a quick recap. Triangle, heart, pentagon, semicircle, square.